I'm here to show you how simple it is to disassemble and reassemble your high-point firearm. Just to make sure real quick, like every time, make sure your firearm is completely unloaded, no magazine. We're safe to go. To start off, all you do, that little notch there, you need to slide that back, put your safety up in there like that. Then you have the pin there you need to knock out. You can use anything. I prefer this little punch, found it in my toolbox, but you could get away using a nail. Anything that'll fit in there that you can punch it out. Makes it easier. Use a hammer, anything that'll be able to hit it out. I like to do it on carpet. Keeps the firearm from bouncing. Pin goes right through, nice and smooth. Remove the pin, put the slide back, start to push the slide back while pulling up on the slide till it pops out. Just like so. Recoil spring. Then you have your firing pin mechanism. That all comes out quite simple. There's that. Slide it out. Empty. Nothing left in your slide. Firing pin mechanism, very simple. 2 springs and your firing pin. And right there is the complete disassembly of your firearm, ready to be cleaned. Reassembly is quite easy as well. The key thing to remember is when you're putting the slide back on, this part of the firing pin needs to go into that hole. That's how it sits in there. So, get your recoil spring back in there. Reassembly of the firing pin. Just drop the pin in there. Your 2 springs. Place that back on there like so. You're ready to put it all back together. The recoil spring you want resting on there while you push the barrel through there. Like I said, when you're putting the slide back, you want to get it in that hole. There it is. Push the slide back, lock it, hammer the pin back into place. And there you have it, the assembly and disassembly of the high-point firearm. Very